Hi, my name is Jen from shesjenclark.com, and you're in the right place if you're interested in entrepreneurship and building multiple streams of income. Today, we are going to talk about how I overcame my fear of investing in the stock market and 5 key tips that you can use on your investment journey. My first tip is embrace your initial fear of investing in the market. So you will be scared about losing money. You'll probably have a fear of not knowing what stocks to invest in or how to even start the investment process. Understand that this is just initial fears, and as you build experience, as you become more comfortable with your investment strategy, those fears will start to go away. So embrace that initial fear. Learn all that you can about the stock market, and then that fear will go away. So don't let the fear in and of itself stop you from investing in the market. Tip number 2, have a long-term investment strategy. Unless you're a day trader, you do not want to be trying to time the market. You want to make sure that the money that you're going to allocate to invest in the market is capital that you can let sit in the market for 12 months and beyond. So make sure you have a long-term strategy, because we cannot time the market. The only thing that is guaranteed that we can potentially lose money, but we can't guarantee that we will make money in the short run. Tip number 3, do not speculate. You do not want to invest in a company because your friend told you that this company was the next hot thing on the market. You don't want to invest in a company because you feel that this company is going to have these great returns over the next few days, right? It's all speculation. We cannot time the market. You could potentially win some by trying to do that, but you are definitely guaranteed to lose a lot of money trying to time the market and speculate on the market. You want to stick to the fundamentals. You want to make sure you're investing in companies that you know, which brings me to tip number 4, invest in companies that you know. Whatever products and services that you're using on a day-to-day basis, invest in those companies. If there's a service that you truly love and you know that you're using the service quite often, your friends are using it, your family is using it, and then you feel that, hey, I will continue to use this service for years to come. Similarly, if it's a product that you're using and you know that this product, you love the product, your friends love the product, you're raving about the product, is a very solid product, invest in that company, because you know if you love that product, other people love that product for that same reason. Investing in the stock market doesn't have to be this grand old investing in companies that you don't understand. You can make a lot of money simply by investing in companies that you love, companies that you use every day, companies that provide services and products that you use all the time. So it doesn't have to be speculative, but you can for sure invest in companies that you know. Tip number 5, once you've gotten to a point where you're investing in companies that you know, drill deeper into these companies. You can look on Edgar. Edgar is a place where you can see all of the financials, all of the 10Ks for these companies. That's going to pretty much lay out the plans for the companies, how they performed over the past year, what they spent their money on. If you want to listen to earnings calls, on Edgar, you can figure out when these companies that you truly love are having earnings calls. And on these earnings calls, they'll discuss new product launches. They'll discuss issues that is going on with their workforce. They'll discuss issues that are going on with their suppliers. And then now you can make an intelligent decision as to whether or not you want to buy more stock in this company or whether or not you want to sell based on certain things that you know is going on in the company because you were on the earnings calls and because you were looking at the fundamentals of the company. So I'm sharing these tips with you guys because it definitely helped me in my investment journey. So to summarize, these 5 tips helped me with my investment journey and getting over my fear of investing in the stock market, and I feel like it would help you too. So number 1, embrace the initial fear. Number 2, have a long-term strategy. Number 3, do not speculate. Number 4, invest in what you know. And number 5, drill deep and learn more about those companies that you're investing in.